Hello. So, yeah, namatay ako. Ay, nako. At nasira din ang bed ko. Oh, may emote pala. Ano mo to? Wait. Ano? Ah. Hello, guys. That's cool. Yeah. I think babalik na ako dun sa dun sa base na yun. And I will try and get wait, saan nga ba yun? Ito lang pala. Dun dito na yun, hanap ko pa. Look at that. Nawala din yung mga item ko. Why does it have to be me? At least yung pressure pin dito pa. Alright. Guess back to basic. Oh my god, Jesus. I guess not. Oh. Ito walang item ko. Nice. Alright. I had time to reflect. And I'm back. Okay. Jesus. Oh my god. Alright. Let's fix my inventory first. I need this, and this. I need a way to get out now. I don't want anything to do with this cave anymore. This cave has been the bane of my existence. The reason I have not played Minecraft. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh no, not again. Not again. Like I was talking, oh my god, Jesus. Why do you have to be here? Like I said, I'm back. But with the new, what's it called? But with the new outlook on life. Oh, deep. Okay. Oh my god. Jesus. Alright. Oh my god. I think di muna tayo dito mag-stay. Doon tayo sa taas. Nagawa tayo ng base doon. Now I need to take all of this with me. Can't forget the pressure plate, of course. Oh my god, that's so slow. Alright. Yeah. Okay. I need to get a lot of wood. Probably like a stack lang. Pwede na yun. And make a base. Let's get far away from here as possible. And that's when we make the base. Let's just get much food. So much food. And then wood, and then we're done with this place. I'm setting off on a journey till the end of time. Sorry pala sa mga breeding. Naglalaro ako ng sobrang init. Init ngayon dito. Kaya pasensya na kung ako ay nahiya ng malalim. Okay, tara. Yeah. Sneak attack. Shh. Natin. La. Wala akong ginagawa. Sneak attack. Sneak. Ha! No! Di pa nakuha hit. I think we have enough food now. Right? Sana. Please. Please lang. Please lang. Please lang. I really wanna go caving though. Fine, let's go caving after we make the house. I'll just chop some trees and be right back. I said be right back. Be right. Cut mo yung video. Okay. I think I have enough. I have like a stock. So, wait lang. Pusin ko na to. At we'll start making the house. I think gusto ko gawin yung house ko sa 0-0. That would be fun. But that's so far away now. Kung tayo sa 0-0, dun tayo gumawa ng bahay. Dahil 0-0 yun. Oh wait, no. Never mind. May space dito. Dito tayo gagawa. If you oppose, I will do nothing. I don't care. Okay. I think this is a sufficient place. Right? It's a pretty big space. We can always just clear out these mountains, these hills, not mountains, they're just hills. Oh, water cave. Why can't I? Oh, I don't have sprint. Iron, which is that would be so hard to get though. But still, we always find a way to live long and prosper. Star Trek. Mr. Spock. Alright, nice. At dyan. Iron. Ooh, coal though. Coal. That's nice. Let's go mining. Nasaan yung iron? Sumubra ba ako? Ano ba yun? Alright, tara. Mababa pa isa. Dito ano? Iron. Ano? Saan yung iron ko? What the hell, man? Airplane! 56. Mga 55 no. Okay. 56 pa pala. Masyado palang mataas. Ito. Diretso lang. Yun. Iron. My first 2 iron. Let's go. Let's go. Ano magagawa sa 2 iron? Kailangan ko ng 3. Let's go up. And let's build a base, shall we? Oh no. Wait, no. No. May naayos lang ako. May time na agad. Lang. Bed. Quick. Nice. Okay. Good lang. Kung mag-alala kasi marami pang iba. Daan mo lang sa tawa kaysa cave. Ay, lagi ko na sa side track. Mamaya na. Tayo magbibuild muna. Build. Dito. Ano to? Ano yun? Pumikit. No. Let's place our bed. These two. This. And let's not forget our airplane. Let's not forget our pressure plate. Yay. Alright. Basic layout na siguro pa circle. Starter house lang naman. Let's start with the basic layout first. Ito yung may parang likuran. Kaya 1, 2, 3 block size probably enough. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fine. Then let's say 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Wait, pato. Oh, maganda yun, no? Parang pa-cross siya. Ay, pa-curve. No, lang. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Ganyan, pa-curve. Unique siya, unique. First time gumagawa ng ganyan. Then, 1, 1, 1. Okay, di na masama. Pa-cross siya, pa-cross. Okay. Then, how many blocks is that? 5 blocks ng gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Babalik ko na. Okay. Tignan mo tong transition na to. Washing. Diba? Galing ko talaga. Wait. Tamang block ko yun. Tamang block ba to? Yaman na. Okay. Dito yung pintuan. Nice. And then, I'll give, wait lang. Ganito tayo cultured. Yeah. At eto na. Second layer na magagawa ko. Washing. O, diba? Panis. Galing ko talaga. Perfect transition. Pero, ang ginawa ko ngayon, ginamit ko ang fence para sa ating windows kasi wala pa akong glass. And, di na masama. Ang kulang na lang ngayon ay roof at flooring. At naubusan na din pala ako ng wood. Ito mo, yan na lang wood ko. Itong tatlong una to. Wala ko lang kwenta itong doors. Pero, yeah, yan na lang wood ko. Mag-chop down pa ako. Siguro hanggang sa masira tong axe ko. Malapit na din naman. I'll stop yapping, okay? Ang transition ng flooring. Nagana na. Hoy, gawin mo na. Kaya yan na. Alright, I'm back. Tignan mo naman yung flooring. Napakaganda. Nice one at ang kailangan natin ay ang roof. Pero, bago tayo mag-roof, I think i-up ko pa to ng isa. At kita nyo yung transition na yan. Umaga sa gabi. Gabi sa umaga pala. Wait lang. Okay. I-up ko pa siguro ng isa para fair siya dito sa ilalim. So 4 blocks na siya, tapos yung roof slabs lang siguro yung roof na mataas dito sa dito sa loob, dito mas mataas ng isang block ay ng kalahating block, tapos dito naman sa labas ay pababa. Okay, dito tinatry kong gumawa ng iba't ibang pattern at sobrang pangit niya. Washing. Sorry. Take two. Washing. Oh, nagawa ko na yung roof. Look at that. Wow, paakit lang siya. Sobrang tagal ko ito ginawa, by the way. Sobrang tagal. Anyway. Oh my god. Looking really nice. Although, naiinis ako dyan. Pero, lang pa kayo. Naiinis, pero lang pa kayo, no? Okay. Just light this up. Pero lang, the point of this is for protecting. Then, tapos, walang ilaw sa loob. Yeah. Hindi na siguro. That's my tour for this base. Cross. Look at that. It's so good now, huh? Hey. Look at that. It's a cool starter house. Masama. Definitely not one of my best builds, but it's pretty practical, I guess. Could add a little bit more detail. But I spent a lot of time on the roof Sobrang tagal, promise talaga. Matatime na ngayon sana, pero hindi ko na-record. Kaya hindi ko na silang alam ano pala katagal yun. Planning ko kasi isang flat roof na lang yan. Tsaka tatanggalin ko yun, no? Kita niyo yan, yung nasa pinang-atap na yan. Pangat tignan. Pero ang plan ko talaga ay flat lang yung top na yan. Pero pangit siguro yun kapag ganun ang kulang. And yeah, yun lang muna siguro. Wait lang. Dito tayo mag-outro sa loob ng ating bagong base. At hindi pa tayo namamatay sa episode, no? So, that's really good, ha? Wait, ay. Wait. Nasira ko pala yung top door kanina. There we go. Yan. It's not a bad house. It's pretty big. Marami akong pwedeng gawin dito. And yeah. And that's it for today. In the next siguro magki-caving tayo. Dahil kailangan ko na talaga ng armor. Yo, pamamatay. Please, armor. Iron. Diamonds. Bye-bye.